Hello dear students, welcome once again. In our previous video, we are going to saw how to write a summary, some important points for a summary writing, how to write it, the points for a summary writing, do's and don'ts. Now in this video, we are going to see directly summary writing. First of all, I will going to read one paragraph and then we will write down the answer. We will write down the summary for this paragraph. Got it? So see, I'm going to write the paragraph, going to read the paragraph. See, paragraph is: we often hear this statement that many of our young people spend more time before their TV sets than they do in their classrooms or with their textbooks. A bit exaggerate, through it many sound, it is nearly true, and our teenagers are being considerably influenced by the electronic media, particularly the TV. The television has become the single most powerful influence in the life of many of our youngsters today. Too often, this happens to use much before we realize it ourselves. I am in no way trying to deny the many advantages of TV or minimize its manifold contribution to our world. On the other hand, I consider TV as one of the greatest scientific achievements of our times. Bring people closer than ever before. Television's use of modern satellite technology bring today even the remotest regions of the world to us in a second, making the world a small global village. As we know, television also provides us with a fuller and more impressive coverage of current event than any other media. The TV does serve in addition as a medium of education as well as entertainment, besides helping us to learn subjects taught in schools, college in a greater depth. It enables us National Geographic Discovery Channel, etc., to see and appreciate from close quarter without having to go there, which is very expensive or even impossible for most of us. The wonders of God's creation in any part of the world. Okay, see, this is our paragraph for a summary writing. Now I am going to read the question. See, what is the question? Write a summary of the above extract with the help of clues given. Give your summary a suitable title. Okay, this is our question. And clue, see, clue is TV, misunderstanding, influence on youngsters, advantages, and other benefits. This is our clues. Okay, and what is the important fact? See, what is the important things? Give a suitable title to your summary. So first of all, before write a summary, we will try to understand this paragraph. Okay, so see, I think you have got a little bit idea what the passage is about. Yes, it is about television and its impact, particularly on the teenagers. You all are teenagers, and just remind yourself how much time you spend before TV. I also is about the advantages. Sorry, it also is about the advantages and benefits of television. In our provided extract, four paragraphs are there. It is necessary for us to understand the extract truly. The extract tells us that youngsters are influenced by e-media. What is the e-media? E-media means electronic media, particularly by the television. We can't deny that it is one of the greatest scientific achievement of our time. It brings people closer than ever before. By using modern satellite technology, television brings the remotest region of the world to us in a second. What is the benefit of television? We come close to each other. Within a second, within a minute, we can get the information in any area of the world. It means that television makes the world a small village, a small global village. Because of television, world become a small global village. It is medium of education as well as entertainment. See, it is one of the greatest medium of education. This is the audio visual medium of education, and also it is the one of the greatest medium of entertainment. The channels like Geography, Discovery provide us the option to see the wonders of God's creation. Okay, so it is what our extract is about. Now, as I told you in my previous video, we have to pick up our underline the main points from the extract. Okay, now see what are the essential and important points are. See, we are going to highlight the main points from the extract. See the first para. It tells us how two teenagers are influenced by e-media, particularly by television, isn't it? So underline the line. Our teenagers are being considerably influenced by the electronic media, particularly the TV. Okay, now see the second para. It tells us the advantages of television, isn't it? So underline, I am in no way trying to deny the main advantages of TV. And the last line of the same para, bringing people closer than ever before. Okay, now see the third para. It tells us about modern satellite technology. So underline the first line. Television's use of modern satellite technology brings today even the remotest region of the world to us in a second. And now see the last paragraph. National Geography and Discovery channels. Underline that part. Okay, now we have gone through the main points from the extract. Now before writing the answer, first of all we have to suggest a suitable title for the extract. So according to me, the title is what? Yes, the title is Television, a Great Invention. Now see the summary. The youngsters are influenced by electronic media, particularly by television. We cannot deny the advantages of television. It has brought people much closer than ever before. By using modern satellite technology, television brings the remotest region of the world to us in a second. It is medium of education as well as entertainment. The channels like National Geography, Discovery provide us the option to see the wonders of God's creation. Got it? This is our summary. So this is what our summary is. Now you can compare our given extract with our summary. All the main points are there in our answer. Okay, so within minimum words and statements, sentence, without changing the main idea and the meaning of the extract, you have to write the summary. Okay, I'm going to write this summary in my way. There is no need to you write down same as me. You also write down in your own way, but keep it in your mind. Be careful about one thing: the meaning of the paragraph will not change. Got it, everybody? I will give some paragraph for a practice. You write down summary.